Hello, everyone, and welcome you all back to another chapter of Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So now we are in our chapter number 2, and here I'll be telling you guys how you can start importing file or a folder or a media in your application. So I'll be showing you guys different way of how you can actually import this file, and also I'll be telling you guys about the stock media and also about global media, like how you can actually import a particular set of logos, images, or videos in the global media. Then you can work on those in the later projects as well. That you don't have to upload that one again and again. So I'll be explaining you guys about importing here in this class. So let's get started with our tutorial here. So hello everyone again. I am back to the workspace here. Okay, so here in this class I have already told you we'll see how you can import a video or any file from your PC or your computer here. So there are quite many different ways of how you can basically import your media to this panel. Okay, I'll be explaining you guys about the workspace and the interface little bit later, but importing the video is another topic where we'll be learning how you can import this in different ways and what all are the options available here. Okay, so the most basic way of how you can actually import your video is if I just minimize this one, drag this one here, take this file, as I do have few of the sample videos here. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I can just click on this one, hold and drag it here in this panel. So here you can see I'll just click on yes, and here you can see I have got this particular video on my panel here, and you can see it's loading. And once I have my mouse just above this video, you can see I can get a small preview of what this video is all about. So this is one way of how you can view or how we can import. So I'll just click on Control Z because I don't want to upload now. And another way is like if you come here in this file option, which is there on top, and just above the record media option, I do have the option called import media files. Okay, so here if I want to import my media files, so I can click here on this option, or there is a shortcut key as well which you can use for Windows, it is Control plus I, and in Mac, it's Command plus I in their keyboard to import their media. And if I click here, you guys can see I do have uh, my page here. So from where I can upload my work basically. So if I come here, open this one, and suppose I do want this video, and I can select multiple videos at the same time. Okay, suppose I'll just click on control and I can select multiple videos, and if I click open, yes, I do have all these videos here as you can see. So I'll just click on Control Z. So this was another way how you can import your stock. And if I come to this folder, you can basically upload a whole folder. Okay. So from here also I can do that, import a media folder. And once I click on this folder, here you can see I do have different options. So what I'll do is I'll come to my downloads or wherever you have a set of projects. So after I came to downloads, you guys can see I do have many sample files. So I'll be taking this file and I'll click on OK. And as you can see, once I click OK, I do have all my files up here. For video editing, I can use those files which I do have here. So there is different ways to do work in this application, and this one is quite user friendly. Okay, and we also do have another option here called the global media. So global media is basically nothing more, but here we can use this particular thing, videos, logos, or images, which we upload here in this panel. It will be saved here. Okay, suppose I am doing 7 or 10 video editing. So in that case, there is a particular logo which I want to use in all that video, or there is a particular part of the video which I have just cut down or trimmed that down, and now I want to use that part again and again. So every time if I go to the project media, if I upload, it is gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna consume my time and waste my time as well. So why not I just come to the global media and upload that particular thing here. So once I just right click, I can select this and I can open this particular media from here. And now if I try to open a new file or a new project, okay, so let me create a new project. Here I have a new project, but in my global media, I have already done my work. And another way you can import media just by clicking here as well. Okay, so I hope you guys have understand how you can use this global media as well. Okay, and I have showed you guys how to add a new folder. Come here, rename the folder, suppose sample files. And if I save this one, and now in sample files, I can come here and select videos, audios, or even images according to my need. Okay, so I can create a particular folder here as well. Okay, this all depends on you of how you want to basically make your workspace. But as I work here in this application now for a quite long time, so now like you guys will be able to use it very smoothly, and I'll always prefer you guys that you always try to make your workspace look better, that you guys maintain your work. Suppose I do have 6 to 7 videos, but sometimes when I work I do have 100 200 clips like that. Okay, at one time, like in one folder I have around 10. So in that case I used to keep those in folders, name those accordingly, and do the project one by one. Okay, in one media I'll keep all those things which are needed, and I'll just delete those which I don't need, and I will import those work one by one. So it will help you to maintain your workspace, that you don't get confused between project to project. So this is one way you guys can do this. And I hope you guys have understood about the global media as well. And now here, let me tell you guys about the cloud media. So here you can just log in through your email and upload media files to your cloud. So for backup, suppose you did some work, it is saved in your PC or computer, and now it got deleted by any chance. So here in your cloud storage, you can keep a backup that you can share it later. And if you have downloaded anything, you will get your downloaded files here. And this is another option, adjustment layer, which I'll be explaining you guys later. Suppose if you guys have made any kind of preset from any other software and you want to keep that or bring that preset here in this layer, so here you can add that one and bring that particular preset here. Okay, here I do have adjustment layer. I can adjust the layer according to myself. Okay, if I want to add this, go here, I can adjust the layers. Okay, this is one way of doing this. Okay, so this is how all these media options I have explained to you guys. And here I do have the stock media, and stock media is nothing more. Here you can see that I do have few of the things connected with my Filmora already. So for stickers, GIFs, you can download from here, which are free, and you can use in your work. So Pixabay is a good website where you can get free videos and also free images. Okay, here you have option what you need, an animation, a film, or any kind of video. Or if you go to photos, you can select the orientation. Like, do you want a horizontal photo or a vertical photo? And what kind of color you like to prefer in those images. You can search it like that. And Unsplash also is a good high resolution photos website from where you can download different type of images. And basically I do download all my videos from Pixels. Okay, and here are a few of the film stocks which you can use. I'll be explaining you guys later about this. And here you can see this diamond icon on top of this. That means that these are premium ones which can't be used without a subscription. Okay, so make sure that you use the one which don't need any kind of subscription, as here you can use these layers which don't need any subscriptions. You can just download this and you can take those in your file. Here are some gradient colors, rainbows, background, green screen. Here green screen is quite helpful. I'll be showing you guys how you can put up a background. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood. And from here, if you have anything favorite, and if you have downloaded any, as I have downloaded this from the Pixel, this one is saved here in the download option. So this is all about the stock media as well. So in the next class, I'll be telling you guys about the interface and the workspace, what this is all about, what this panel is called, what this panel does. I'll be explaining you guys in detail. So take care everyone and see you all in the next tutorial.